Hey everyone, this is the Express Water Reverse Osmosis system. It's been working fantastic. We actually have all the filters on here, so it actually has the UV light that's up here. It works. So this system has been really great, but let me go ahead and show you a closer look on the. All right, what's great about this system is that if you wanted to add the additional filters like your alkaline or UV, you can actually do that later on, so you don't have to buy the whole entire deluxe system. Rather, you can actually add these on later. But what's great about these filters is that it filters out a wide variety of different contaminants, and you can actually go ahead and look at their list to actually see what they actually filter out. And then what I would suggest doing is actually comparing that list to your local water supply, and then see if it's actually going to cover any of the contaminants. This is the 2-gallon storage tank, and this all runs back into the system and then actually out to the faucet. What's cool about this too is that this is a leak detector, so if there's a little pill in there, if it swells up too much, it flips this switch right there, and then it'll actually shut off the water running through the system. But there you go. That's where the water starts from the red tube, and then it goes into this white tube, and then it plays through all the filters, all the way up and through, all the way to the 2-gallon tank, and it goes back all the way up into the faucet. I'll show you right here. And then I have this. Originally, we were going to try and put it over here, but if you have an air gap on your dishwasher, you're going to have to keep your air gap. So what I did is I drilled a 1/2-inch hole right here and then placed this through. And so now we actually have fresh drinking water with this system. All right, now that everything has been hooked up, here is the fresh water. For the first week, it's going to look a little bubbly, but that's completely normal. So we've had this system for about 3 or 4 days now, but it tastes phenomenal. And one thing about when you first do this, your drinking water starts on your 5th drain. So you'll end up draining this 2-gallon tank 4 times, and on the 5th time will be your drinking water, and then you can actually just start running your system.